It's rainy and gross outside today, so let's try an interior project. Let's see if we can refurbish this door. It's not gonna be perfect. I was gonna try to replace this fabric. I even got an extra door panel at the pick apart yard, and man, I got it off. I got the other suede crap off. I got a new one back on, but man, I cannot get this to go back into place, and I have beaten it and hit it, pounded on it. But I cannot figure out how to get this groove with the new cover to go back into that old groove. I might pound on it some more because at this point, whatever, but we're gonna clean this up real good, see how good we can make that. If I can get that back in, we'll use that one. If I can't, hopefully we'll do a refurbished version of that in the car. Let's see what we can take apart first. The more you take apart, the easier it is generally to clean. Also, one of these broke when I was taking it apart. I think it was already broken. I'm not gonna blame myself for that one. So we'll glue that back together. I think that was the handle. Yep. This is the wood grain. Oh, look, that just spins off. There's that. Beep. I wonder how this comes off. I think that just spins off. That came off. Speaker degradation. Just leave those in there so I don't mess those up. Oh yeah, like that. Ta-da. Okay, let's clean. I wonder if I can get this speaker grill out. It looks like these, yeah. This has a little bit of rust on it. I wonder if I can just spray paint that. I've got gold. I'm not gonna paint it gold. That would be crazy. This will be a clean upstairs in the sink. Let's see what we can do about this. I'm gonna get that steamer. I'm gonna steam that thing. All right, let's see if this steamer will clean up this delightfulness. Well, that definitely got it wet. I'm gonna rub some laundry detergent in that. I think that's what I saw online. This is just a little bit of all free and clear. I probably need to get something to scrub it up. I did not get enough. Yeah, it's getting dirt out of it. I don't think it's gonna cure whole though, but hey. Sometimes you just have to go with the motto, better is fixed. I guess I'm just gonna let that kind of sit for a little bit. I don't know if sitting does anything, but we'll work on the other side. It's better, but the age-old question, is it better because of the steam gun or because of hot water and scrubbing? Somebody said you can also sand this stuff with like a real light grit sandpaper and it'll look a lot better. Well, while that dries, let's Johnny Wooten it. I didn't do a good before shot, so that's gonna be nice. So you just have to assume it's looking better. Maybe I can pull it out of the earlier footage, but I don't know if I held it still long enough to really be able to tell. Maybe I'll just go find a really ugly one at the junkyard and I'll act like that's the before. These things are actually kind of tough to find in the junkyard. I got lucky with that first one. Looks better. We're gonna let that dry, and when it dries, we'll see how that fabric looks, and if it looks okay, we'll be done. If not, I'll do another round of cleaning. While that dries, let's see if I can hammer this into here. It just needs to go into there. All right, I don't care. I already cleaned up this handle from the other car. And this one is better than this one. Is it the right size? Yes, so that and that are going in the new car. These will go in the scrap bin. Oh, you know what? While that dries, let's fix this little screw. Where'd it go? Oh, it's on the trim piece that I cleaned that's upstairs. It's on this piece. Okay. That's the one that broke. Yeah, I'm just gonna super glue it. And if it doesn't work, I'll cry. The glue takes a while to bond to plastic, but it instantly sticks to your gloves and your fingers. Perfect. And now we just let that dry. Then we'll put it back together and see how it looks. I got tired of waiting. Still needs a lot of drying. I'm gonna look up the sanding thing. Okay, I found the forum I had previously seen. It said, do not steam clean the whole thing, it'll ruin it. So, I don't think this is too ruined. I mean, worse. But it said 1,000 grit sandpaper, which I have, can get some of this nap off of here. It's actually working pretty good. Pretty sure it said to spot clean it, but I'm just gonna do the whole thing. It's a nice cigarette hole, probably. This is 2,000 grit, but it's cheaper stuff, and it's definitely not as smooth as the expensive stuff. So that's 1,000. I wonder if I could take a lighter to it and get rid of the rest of that fluff. I think the sanding works fine. I'm gonna get some laundry detergent and start over again. I think I'm on the right track. I think it's just gonna take a lot more elbow grease. So laundry detergent, dry it, sand it, set it on fire. We are reassembling. This is the spray painted grill. That looks a lot better. That little rust stain is gone. I just have to reverse the order this came apart, which is always easier than it sounds. No, the opposite. No, the speaker's got to go first. Speaker goes in first. Figured it out. It goes this way. Then this goes on top. And then it flips over. All right, the big reveal. I mean, it looks better. It's not perfect, but it was never going to be with that cigarette burn right there. But I think I can lay my arm there now without it turning gross. Oh, the speaker. There we go. Door card reconditioned. Let's go slap that thing back in there. Now that I have this thing outside in the sun, it looks way better than it did. All that dark grungy stuff is off of there. Way less fibers. Yeah, that was pretty good. Also changing to the non-broken wood piece looks a lot better too. Okay, I didn't show you guys taking this thing off. So just watch this next segment in reverse. Come close. So look, the door is held on to place by these little blue plugs that clip into there, but there's only a couple connections. The two speakers. All right, and then you're gonna plug this thing. And that's easy. All right, and then those blue things There we go. Then you beat it. This piece goes on next. If I can get it on. I should have put the door on first. Okay. Oh my God. Okay, pause. I gotta get these blue things back out. All right, I put this on first. So now we're gonna try this again. How'd I do this the first time?
Struggles.
Look at this, one of these fell off. Oh my God, two of these fell off.
Behind you.
What?
3.
There we go. I'm gonna have to glue that back in. All right, now we screw it into place. There's a bunch of different screws. If you can remember which one went where, good for you. There we go. Where did that go?
I have no idea.
Is it going? All right, that one's gone forever. So I figured that one out last. So there's 2 screws here. Oh my God, this is all gonna be a pain. Oh, there we go. Nope. 1. Why? Why? This is a longer one. Maybe this will work easier. Whew. Luckily, all these are in deep holes. That makes it super easy. Oh no, wait, the opposite. Maybe they want you to take the door off and lay the door upside down to get these back in. That seems reasonable. This is the worst design door card I have ever seen in my life. Maybe I just haven't done enough of these to know that there's worse ones out there. Oh, these look easy. One went easy. Oh, look, that got it. Haha. Ta-da! And just imagine we found that one under the seat and put that in. And that's how you put the door back in. So this project has been brought to you by lots of cussing. Looks a little better, I guess. Felt like those. This has definitely been the grungiest one. Perfect.